Hey, hello again. Inventor Unable, back again after a bit of a break with a new knife here by Civivi. You can see Civivi here. This is the box that came in. Just a little bit of writing there. On the side here it shows you the details. So it's a Elementum with Damascus steel and carbon fibre overlays. So not quite focus there. Just get through this. So this is the little pouch it came in. Great little pouch compared to the, considering the price. Comes with a few things, a couple little stickers that people mention here. They're not quite sure what they're supposed to represent, but anyway, they're stickers. A little plastic bag, silica thing, some, the normal warranty type stuff, and a great little cloth there. Really nice little cloth. Seems to be quite common now with Civivi. So this set here, I particularly got this one because of the Damascus blade. So it's a little flipper tab, the carbon fibre overlay, the Civivi there, little lanyard hole in the back, just 2 screws in the back there, pocket clip, fold over deep side there, and oops, hit myself there. Flips really well. This the blade's quite shiny, so it's hard to show the pattern, but great pattern there. Interesting the way they can get it to repeat itself and be all level like that. So try and keep the shine off the lights there so you can see. Great little knife. Flips well, locks up well, centering good. Really well made, these Civivi knives. I've got my other one, this Satera, I think it's called here. Flips open, a little bit bigger knife with the D2 steel, and as they make a bit of a feature of it, they don't have any sort of writing on the blade, and just a minimalist branding here. The D2 in the small, really small letters, just in the side there. D2. Really nice knife this. Works really well. I've had it for a while now, using it. And this one is of a similar quality. Really nice. Doesn't weigh that much. Really nice to have, but more interesting with Damascus. There's a hollow ground here. See just from the reflection. Comes very sharp out of the box. I bought it sort of new second hand, got it off another bloke who was moving it along, and really happy with it. Good pocketable size for like EDC. This seems to be a size preference that I like. I've got just a comparison. Move this one's back a little bit. This is a Rat 2 here, so it's very similar in size to a Rat 2. I can open it like this too, just pinch with my fingers. Opens quite easily. So you can see there the length, blade length, very similar. Actual blades themselves, I just line them up here a little bit. See, basically exactly the same length down to the cutting edge. You have the little blank section goes through, and then handle length. I've got it right there. Handle length. The Rat did maybe a fraction longer there. So, and just compared to, say I've got my Falcon even out here. That's a similar knife. I like carry this one. I've got the PCX one as well, and of course see they're very similar in length. It just seems to be a good pocketable size. I don't see this one doesn't have the pocket clip. I've got a pocket clip, but I find I don't use the pocket clip. I put them in the little sheath and just put them in my pocket. So Falcon even, great knife again. Just a size comparison. Pull out a Rat 1. See how Rat 1 is yeah, quite a bit bigger all around, particularly in the handle against the Satera here. So you can see, how do I line it up, sort of with the pivots there, quite there. So it's not as if like the Rat one, a mini inversion of there, and this is sort of a mini, and that's not quite the same. Interestingly, the weights on here, I just brought the scales out just for my own interest. Click it on there. Just wait till it zooms in, got it on pounds and ounces. Rightio, so this one, the Elementum's weighing 2.8, and Rat 2 2.7, so marginally lighter, even though it's got the carbon fibre, so interesting. This one here, Satera, 3.7, so about a 1 ounce difference on there, so it's quite a lightweight knife, the Elementum. Oh, 2.8, so there you go, the Rat's 2.8. Oh. So it's, yep, pretty close to the same weight. That's my Falcon even weigh. 2.5, so slightly less in weight, marginal less, but more or less the same. So just move these ones off to the side there, as I'm featuring my Civivi. Considering Civivi is sort of the cheaper or budget version of the Wii knives, I haven't got a Wii knife yet to have a look at it, but I'm very happy with my Civivi. This first one I got, and now with this one as well, really nice. One of the reviewers opened this up. You can see that there's bearings inside, little bearing cage bearings inside there. So really good for the price. And interestingly, there's a very similar design in it, that they have two body screws at the back with the lanyard hole, the pivot at the front with the finger tab, and then the liner lock. So in some ways they've got a similar design and production of these ones. But yeah, Civivi, if you're worrying about or thinking about a Chinese knife, these ones here, like Wii knives, Civivi and a couple other brands, really good quality and quite reasonable prices, so no need to worry about that. Here we go, Civivi. Quite happy that I've got these ones. I'm Antoine Abel, thanks for watching. Remember, stay ready, stay alert, stay prepared, particularly in this ever increasingly crazy times we live. Bye bye for now.